go on this website.
In an hour, they'll get here around 3. Mom and I are gonna go to
una niña.
So is that something last year?
You just watch this thing.
Find yourself eating.
Right. Do you want to go in and eat or stay home? Home. Okay. Probably bike race. Bike race through town, first one ever. I was really excited. Maybe she'll grow up. Maybe. Probably not. I'm running out of small talk, kid. Gotta get around some main event here soon. Rory, what happened? No, don't answer it. Michelle, take something. What do you want?
The memory of those bike girls poking each other in the buttocks at Gummy Sunshine out of my mind.
Come on, Michelle. Take something you love product.
You're going to do it, aren't you?
Do what?
You're going to say the into Mike Armstrong.
Oh, Euros. Cool.
You're going to say the into Mike Armstrong, and then you're going to go off and have a wonderful life, and I'm going to be unemployed. Very attractive asset in the dating scene. You know, we have our own little section at Match.com.
Michelle, stop it. I'm probably not gonna take the deal.
You want to?
This is my aunt. It left.
He ranted about his father being a jerk and speaking his mind, but he never said that he was wrong.
Rory, come on. What kind of logic is that?
It doesn't matter. This isn't about that. I told you, I just need some time.
You're making a mistake.
No, I'm not. This is normal. College kids take...
Nice.
That sounds exhilarating.
No, it's not cool. You think it's stupid. Nope.
Give it.
0.
Of course. More time with the menus, or are we all set to order?
I'm good.